Hi, I'm John Chandler Baligood from BSIS 1A, and the topic I chose for this video is probability theory. I chose this topic because probability is not just a concept in mathematics. It's a powerful tool used in many areas of information technology, especially in decision making, prediction, and analyzing uncertainty. Discussion. What is probability theory? Probability theory is the branch of mathematics that deal with uncertainty. It helps us measure how likely an event is to happen. In simple terms, probability is text probability, fraction, text number of favorable outcome, text total possible outcome. For example, when flipping a coin, the chance of getting heads is 1 out of 2. Number 2. How is probability used in IT? Probability plays a major role in IT and computer science. Here are some real-world applications. A. Cybersecurity, detecting attacks. Antivirus software and insertion detection system use probability models to determine whether a file or activity is suspicious. For example, if a file behaves like known malware with 80% similarity, the system calculates the probability that is harmful and flags it. B. Learning, machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI. For example, spam filter use Bayesian probability to check if an email is spam based on words found in the message. If certain keywords appear, the system calculates the probability the message is spam. C. Networking, packet loss and reliability. In computer networks, probability is used to measure packet loss and network reliability. Example, if 5 out of 100 packets get lost, the probability of packets lost is 0.05 of 5%. This helps engineers improve network performance. D. Software testing, risk analysis. In a software development, tester use probability to identify which parts of the program are most likely to have bugs. For instance, if a module fails 3 times out of 10 tests, there are 30 chances it will fail again. E. Data science, making predictions. Probability is the foundation of predictive analytics. Examples include predicting user behavior, forecasting sales, calculating the chance of system failure. Example. Let's consider simple IT example. A server falls 2 times in 100 days. Text probability of failure per day for up to 100 equal to 0.02, meaning there is a 2% chance that server will fall on any given day. This helps IT teams decide when to do maintenance or upgrades. In this activity, I realized that probability theory is everywhere in IT, from security to networking to AI and even prediction system behavior. Understanding probability helps IT professionals make better decisions, manage risks, and design smart systems. Math may look abstract, but in IT, it becomes a powerful tool for solving real-world problems. Thank you for watching.